Hello guys, welcome to Crypto with Sarvesh. Today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin bottom. Right now the price of Bitcoin is just around $30,000 and it's like stuck here for quite a long time. So you can see the 3-month chart. It was around like 40k and then it dropped to 30k and it's just been rolling right here 29.30. So let me get straight into the point. The bottom is around $21,000 to $23,000, and here Crypto Capo, he predicts this and it makes a lot of sense. So let's see why it does. You can see right here, this is the chart. It's just been bounced around the 30k region twice now. You can see once here, second time right here. Right now we don't know if we'll get a bounce or it'll break down. It might break out towards the upside and then it might even come back down. The first thing that he says is Bitcoin broke the 30k support zone, which was the main pivot of the bull run. This is a zone, not a level. It's because 29 to 31k taking all the wicks, now it's testing that zone as resistance. And he's right, like right here it has been support. And it also has been support again right here in 3 and 4. Right now we're using it as kind of a resistance because we went down to 27k, and some exchanges went all the way down to around 26k, and we came back up to 30k, which means now this is resistance. Only in a downtrend support turns into resistance, and if this is used as resistance, it can mean more downside for Bitcoin. The second point that he says is the minimum target of the bear flag hasn't been reached yet, which is 23k. The length of the pole above the bear flag should be the same length as the one below it, and the target is around 21 to 23k. You can see the image right here. He also says that you can see these on altcoins where some of the main targets haven't been reached yet. Also, if you hear some dogs outside, they're just fighting, so please ignore that. The third point is funding rates have remained neutral or positive all the time. For a bottom to form, you want to see very high negative funding rates. We haven't seen that yet. The alt prep is no man's land. It broke the key level and the next support is 35 to 40% lower. This matches with the main targets of most alts and it would make a lot of sense. So you can see the chart right here. This is basically what he's saying is around the support of 1370, which is alt perp, which is taking into account almost all of the altcoins. And basically if you just look at Solana, Atom, and basically all of the altcoins, they haven't really reached the bear target. The fifth point is that SPX and DXY have really been bearish and bullish. The SPX is basically the US stock market and it's been breaking support like butter, and the bearish trend is getting stronger. So you can see right here, he expects it to go even lower, around 3,500, the S&P index, which would be very bad. The DXY is the dollar currency index. So you can see right here, it has been in a steady uptrend, and this is like a W pattern. It was supposed to use this as resistance and breakdown, but it actually broke out, and this is a bullish W pattern. So you can see the heat maps look bearish. You can clearly see more supply than demand, and some of the demand is getting weaker or moving lower. For a bull market, the demand has to be higher than the supply, and in this case it's still the opposite. So this is basically all the reasons that he gives. Nothing is certain. We might have already reached the bottom because we already reached around 26k, as I said. That might have been the bottom, but there's really high chances it isn't the bottom, because there is like a recession going on, and the DXY is getting stronger, stock market is plummeting, so it looks like there will be more downside. The interest rates are going to keep getting hiked, the economy as a whole looks very bad, and that's why Bitcoin is continue to keep going down. And the thing is, Bitcoin can't keep on going down, right? There is a point where the sellers get exhausted and buyers step in. So I think that region will be around 21k. I don't think we'll go below that. I might be totally wrong. You can do your own research. You can see the fear and greed index it's been very low. Like 2 days ago it was around 8. Right now it's around 12 or 13, which is kind of bullish because this is the bottom of the fear and greed index. It has to go up from now. So let's see what happens, guys. So that is the prediction with some proof right here. You can do what you want with that information. Let's hopefully flip the bearish trend and go into a bull market very soon. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.